Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Mike Bassett's Weather Forecast channel. I hope everybody having a great Thursday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about as you can see, the weather radar here across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at the watch and warning advisory map, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, Friday, and also for Saturday. Okay, if you like these videos, hit the like button up under the video. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos as well, and also share these videos as well to as many people as possible. Okay, let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast. We're taking a look at the radar view across the lower 48. As you can see, we got mixed precipitation flying around up here in northern Maine and also into southern Canada, and also some showers, some heavy, light to moderate showers extending from portion of southern Maine back toward the Toronto, Canada area, back down in towards the Washington, D.C. area, and also portion of Ohio and also portion of Pennsylvania. We have some showers also, line of shower and thunderstorms starting to develop over here in Oklahoma and also portions of Texas. We have snow showers extending from over here in Arizona over into portion of Kansas area there. Also, we have more rain and mixed precipitation falling over here in the west coast of the United States from Arizona through California all the way up to Washington State, and also over here portion of Idaho. We got heavy rain showers extending over here along Oregon and Washington State. Okay, let's take a look at the watch and warning advisory map because we do have some flash flooding issues to talk about. We got flash flood watches in effect from Oklahoma all the way over to northern West Virginia, portion of Ohio and Indiana and Illinois as well, portion of northern Kentucky also. We got winter weather advisory with northern Maine, quiet along the east coast there. Got some few little pockets of high wind warning over here in Texas. We have a few pockets, we have a few counties over here in Colorado with a winter storm warning. Also, we have some winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, frost advisory for California. Also up into Oregon and Washington State and Idaho. We have some hydro issues over southern Montana. Pretty quiet in the remainder of the forecast areas located in between these watch and warning advisory areas. Alrighty. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. This is for day one. We have a marginal risk in the darker green, and also we have a slight risk in the yellow. We got general thunderstorms ongoing over here in the west coast of the United States from near Arizona through Utah and back over toward Oregon and portion of Washington State. Also, we have some shower and thunderstorm activity going on in the northeastern United States as well. And also we have a marginal risk. The marginal risk, if you include it, this includes Dallas, Texas, St. Louis, Missouri, Louisville, Kentucky, Garland, Texas, Springfield, Missouri. And the slight risk, this includes Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. And let's take a look at the probability of a tornado. We have 2% in the green and 5% in the brown, and the 5% area include Wichita Falls, Texas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springdale, Arkansas, and Rogers, Arkansas. And the 2%, this includes Aberdeen, Texas, Denton, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Anglo, Texas, Muskie, Oklahoma. All right, the winds, 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. Same cities I called out. You are in the outlook area for high winds or damaging wind. Hail, 5%, 15% in the yellow. In the higher chances in the slashed area. This includes Aberdeen, Texas, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, and San Anglo, Texas. And then the remainder of it is the same cities I called out in earlier forecasts. Okay. Alright, now let's take a look at day 2 outlook. This here is, we still have a marginal risk in the darker green. Still have general thunderstorms also around it. little pocket over here in portion of Colorado and New Mexico, and also over here around Oregon and Washington State. The yellow in here, the green is marginal, the yellow is slight risk, the enhanced risk is darker yellow, and the red is moderate risk. And if you're in the moderate risk area, this includes Jackson, Mississippi, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, Monroe, Louisiana, Greenville, Mississippi, and Vicksburg, Mississippi. This is the highest area where we can see severe weather in the moderate risk. And the other cities include enhanced risk. This includes Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Jackson, Tennessee. Slight risk, Nashville, Tennessee, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Huntsville, Alabama, and Tyler, Texas. And a marginal risk, this includes Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, New Orleans, Louisiana, Arlington, Texas, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Alrighty, the tornado probability is in the same area, 5%, 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, 15% in the red. The hash/slashed area is the highest. Significant severe weather would include Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Jackson, Mississippi, and Jackson, Tennessee. And the 15%, this includes Jackson, Mississippi, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, Monroe, Louisiana, Greenville, Mississippi, and Vicksburg, Mississippi. And then it goes on down from there. 10%, 5%, 2, same areas. This includes Memphis, Tennessee to Bossier City, Louisiana, Nashville, Tennessee to Clarksville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, all the way to Knoxville, Tennessee. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the wind probability. 5% the brown, 15% in the yellow, 30% in the red. Hash/slashed area, the significant severe weather. This includes Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Jackson, Tennessee, North Little Rock, Arkansas, and Jonesboro, Arkansas. 30% Memphis, Tennessee to Clarksville, Tennessee. 15%, this includes Nashville, Tennessee, all the way over toward Tyler, Texas, and Huntsville, Alabama area. Also into 5% include Houston, Texas, all the way to Cincinnati, Ohio, and surrounding vicinities. And let's take a look at the hail probability. That's 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. And here's your cities down below for the hail probability. From Memphis, Tennessee, all the way to Longview, Texas. 5% all the way from Nashville, Tennessee to Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, and surrounding areas. Alright, then finally, let's take a look at day 3 outlook. We have a marginal risk for the portion of Panhandle, Florida, all the way into central and upstate South Carolina. General thunderstorms surrounding that vicinity. Marginal risk includes Atlanta, Georgia, Columbus, Georgia, Tallahassee, Florida, Columbia, South Carolina, and Sandy Springs, Georgia. And the probability, 5% in the brown in the same areas: Atlanta, Georgia, Columbus, Georgia, Tallahassee, Florida, Columbia, South Carolina, and Sandy Springs, Georgia, and surrounding areas. Alrighty. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this forecast. Everybody stay safe out there. The severe weather will begin to kick up later this afternoon from Texas, New Mexico, all the way into Oklahoma and back over toward Missouri. And it will spread eastward through your Friday, and then spread eastward from there into the Carolinas and portion of Georgia and Florida. Alright, so have a great afternoon. Enjoy your day, because enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And also, so like these videos, share these videos, and subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. Catch you back in the next one.